Why does your scanner show the P0336 engine code? What does it mean? P0336 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position sensor, a circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that this generic diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is set when the PCM detects an irregular or incorrect signal from the crankshaft position sensor, CKP. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. Damaged reluctor ring. Wiring harness or connector issues. Poor CKP sensor connection. Engine misfires. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Land Rover, Citroën, Dodge, Chevrolet, and Kia models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.